my name is Melissa van Dijk, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can use COSRX Ultimate Nourishing Rice Overnight Mask, which is suitable for all skin types, and the main ingredient is the rice extract, which is very hydrating and nourishing and full of antioxidants. And it includes niacinamide, which helps to even out the skin tone. Now, as the name it already says, it is an overnight mask, so you're going to use it in the evening. However, if you feel about the mask like a moisturizer, which to me it is very similar to a moisturizer, then you can probably use it during daytime as well. And if it feels comfortable on the skin, well then go ahead and do so. Now in this video I want to keep my focus on an evening skincare routine as it is recommended like this. So if you just want to keep the focus on the overnight mask itself, what is important to do before the application of the rice mask is your cleansing step. So in the evening you're starting off with your cleansing step. This can be a gentle cleanser or exfoliating acid cleanser that works well for your skin type and to some extent your skin concerns. It should be able to properly remove any excess oil, dirt and sweat from the skin, and even to some extent sunscreen as well as makeup. Then rinse the cleanser off, pat the skin dry, and then immediately move on to the rice mask. Use about a bean size amount, apply it all over your face and neck, and then you're going to leave it on the skin for the entire night, but then the next morning you're going to rinse it off again. Now, when wearing a bit more of a stubborn sunscreen as well as makeup that you cannot remove with your usual cleanser, I recommend doing a double cleanse, specifically in the evening, as this is when it's mostly required. Then you're going to either use at first micellar water and then your regular cleanser, or go with an oil or balm cleanser and then move on to your regular cleanser. This way you're making sure that your sunscreen and makeup comes properly off the skin as well. If you want to see how you can do a double cleanse, I have a video for you in the top right corner. Now this would be a very simple, straightforward skincare routine that I want to later on demonstrate as well. But I do want to emphasize one more thing, and this is that, as usual in my PowerPoint slides, it's not only the example routine that I am now about to share with you, but I have prepared for you an advanced skincare routine as well, and you will see some additional information too. Now the advanced skincare routine mainly targets dehydrated skin and to rebuild and strengthen the skin barrier, and it is suitable for all skin types. So if you want to check everything out, you will find it in the description box down below. Just click on the link and you can even download the PowerPoint slides. Now I want to keep my focus on the application. So again, I want to really include the cleansing step to show you that it is important to properly wash your face before applying the mask so that you can see it visually. So as an example, I have Cetaphil's Daily Facial Cleanser right here. That's great for combination to oily skin. If you have a different cleanser, or you may use an exfoliating acid cleanser, that's completely fine. Just read on the back of the packaging on how you should use it and follow the specific instructions. Now in this example, it is advised to apply the cleanser on wet skin. So I'm going to wet my face and neck with lukewarm water to warm water. Then I'm going to massage the cleanser all over my face and neck for about 30 seconds to a minute. I like to work with a soft and fresh washcloth in between to remove any residue, and then I'm going to pat the skin dry. You can do this above the sink or take the cleanser with you in the shower. Either way is fine, just make sure that everything comes properly off. So let's go ahead and do this. So now take a fresh towel and pat the skin dry. So once you're done with your cleansing step, you have pat the skin dry, you can immediately move on to the next step. Now, if you want to go with advanced skincare routine and you have a toner at home that you want to include, go ahead. This is going to be the next step after cleansing. Apply your toner to the skin, leave it on the skin. If you have specific serums or in general treatments that you usually use, well then this would be the next step after your toning step. Apply it to the skin, leave it on the skin. And then you're moving on to the rice mask, as it's going to be the last step in in your evening skincare routine before going to bed. And so this is now the step that I'm going to include. But of course, the toner and serum steps are optional steps, so you can immediately also use the rice mask after you're done with your cleansing step. And then use about a bean-sized amount for your face and neck and apply it evenly all over. Just make sure to not get it into your eyes nor into your mouth. If that's the case, rinse it with water. About that much, more or less. So, and once you're done with the application, you're going to leave it on the skin. There's no need to wash it off. Again, I want to repeat, you're going to leave it on the skin for the entire night. It is an overnight mask, and then the next morning when waking up and washing your face, you're going to rinse it off. And so then there you have it on how you can use COSRX Overnight Rice Mask. Now this is what I wanted to share with you on how you can properly use it and include it in a skincare routine. So again, I want to remind you, if you want to have a look at the advanced skincare routine and the additional information, you will find everything in the description box down below. Now if you enjoyed this video and you find it helpful, please don't forget to give the thumbs up as well as share it. And if you now want to know more about skincare products and how you can apply them and include them in your skincare routine, I have several videos for you on my YouTube channel, and I'm going to link some of them at the end of this video so that you can keep on watching. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you soon in the next one. Happy skin caring. Bye!